What's going on, everybody? It is almost 6:30 Sunday morning. I'm up at Uwharrie. Got the tent set up. Just waking up. Had a good night's sleep. Pulled in last night about 9:30, 10 o'clock or so. And I pulled into the Uwharrie Hunt campground right as you pass the El Dorado outpost, and set up the tent in about 5-10 minutes. Got all my stuff in it. Got in the bed up there. Oh man, I slept so good. So I got it. I'm good to go right now. And as soon as I cook me some breakfast, I'm gonna go find the rest of the guys. Supposed to be out here somewhere, and we're gonna hit a few of these trails today. So let me show you real quick what I got. Let me just show you real quick what I got before we do all that. Got the tent all set up. If I wanted to fish, I got my rods on here. And yeah. Look at that. Got the bacon, got the eggs, got the bread. I'm set up to go. You know what I'm saying? Got the fishing pole just in case I want to fish. That's how I go, man. As you can see, you got other campers out here. So I don't want to get all loud trying to make a video and waking everybody up, because these folks out here had a late night out here sleeping. So keeping it on the low. Just had to come out, have a little fun, chit chat with a few fellas, maybe meet some new friends, and keep it moving. So if y'all ain't doing nothing today, find something to do. Because you know what you need to be doing. You need to be going out and changing your life. So we'll see y'all in a few. We'll see y'all on the trails. Ooh, look at that Suzuki right there. I got him a sidekick. Okay, move along. Oh yeah.
It's just getting a little bit more air.
And so when I was out in Texas a couple weeks ago, we had our granddaughter out there, and she said, "Poppy, are you gonna roll the windows down so I can feel the wind in my hair?" I was like, "What?" I said, "You know what? I'll do better than that." I took the doors off, and I'm riding down the road, and she's in the back seat. She got some gum in her mouth, and she's just, I mean, she's only 4. So I turned the camera around. I turned the camera around and videotaped her. She's in the back seat, and she went. I was like,
that's awesome. Well, thank
so,
you so much for your service.
Hey, appreciate it,
Really
man.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.
You too. Now y'all see this? Orange clay mud. You see that? Somewhat clean. Orange clay mud, somewhat clean. I ain't going through that because it'll take me a week to get all of this mud out of there. I'm gonna take my Jeep and I'm gonna go right over there and I'm gonna go around it. We ain't doing that. Look at this. Oh my God, no. For somebody that's got their rig that they want to come out here, that they bring out just on the weekends, have at it. Not this guy. Let's go. This is what happens when you don't come with nobody. You got to do a lot of running. I've gotten in more exercise today, man. Twice.
Careful now, a lot of broke ankles up here.
Hey, I got 2 more months, man.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself now.
Right. How you doing? All right. Figured I saw y'all coming through here, and I said, well, hey, I'll get out and stop and say hello.
You having a good ride?
Oh yeah, I'd rather be where y'all at, but
That's all right.
hey, we take what we can.
That's all right.
Y'all have a good one.
Okay, you too.
All right, so I'm back at the El Dorado Outpost. I'm up here at the spot where we air up at. You see there's a red gel in the background, there's a gladiator, and there's a orange JK in the background. These guys here coming off the trail too, airing up, doing the same thing I'm doing. And been a pretty good day. Oh man, they got the power steps on there, that's pretty nice. Okay. See, I get sidetracked, y'all. When I start looking at other rigs, I get sidetracked. These guys back here in this JK and this Gladiator. Hey man, where y'all from, man?
We're from, go ahead, James. Clinton, North Carolina.
Clinton, North Carolina? Both of y'all?
Yeah, both of us. Yeah,
Okay.
Came up here together.
All right.
Yes,
How
sir.
far is that from Uwharrie?
It's a little between 2 hours, 2.5 hours. you know.
Okay. All right. So they rode about the same
About
distance I
the
rode.
same.
Okay. All right. What's your name, man?
Richard Bryant.
Richard and
Jamie Pope.
Jamie.
Good to see you guys.
Two guys I'm meeting out on the trail. Guess they heading out doing the same thing I'm doing. Hope they had as much fun as I did.
That's right. We had a lot of fun.
Well, that's it, y'all. We're going to keep it moving. Catch y'all the next time.
Hey, it'll change your life.
Oh, see? You already know. Go change your life. See? I got a fan already, y'all. So, we out here. Came out here, had a good day. One thing I've learned is that it ain't always about going and just doing the trail alone. It's about the scenery that's out on the trail that you get to enjoy, and it's about the people that you meet on the trail. And I went out there and I met some good people, some people on some horses, and I met people in other Jeeps, ATVs, side-by-sides, Land Cruisers, everything. So it was a good day overall, no complaints. Ready to come back out and do it again, but as for now, I got to get up out of here. I know how I do. Go out, change your life. Peace out.